up, YouTube? It's your boy Twinkie coming at you with another moto vlog. Hey, what's up? So I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell you, it's been worth it. Today we're on a maiden voyage with some pretty major upgrades to Black Betty and another project that I ended up building, and I'll show you that here in a minute. But I just want to say that it's good to be back on Black Betty. I've been off her for a while. I've been working on this for quite a few weeks. Black Betty is extremely thirsty, so the first thing I gotta do is get to the gas station. So I am joined by Ryan behind me, and we're gonna go to the Turkey Hill down the road here, and then from there we're gonna go to his house, and that's gonna pretty much be our maiden voyage for this this round of upgrades. And I really think you're gonna like them. So I will tell you before I show you that the project is currently behind me, and no, I don't mean that it's Ryan or what Ryan is on.
Track's perfect.
It feels like it's almost not even there.
The only thing is when you hit the bumps, it does jump a little bit.
I figured that. Well, there's no weight on it, and the torsion axles are pretty rated pretty high. So there you have it. I built myself a homemade trailer. And if you want to see pictures of the build, you can get those off of my Instagram. So head on over to check those out if you're interested. In the meantime, let's finish this maiden voyage. So as you can see, my homemade trailer that I built myself is tracking pretty good behind me, and I'm doing 60, so it's good and stable at highway speed. That's awesome. Considering I not only built the trailer myself, but I also built the hitch myself. So, yeah. Guess it did pretty good, huh? And to think I did it all with a 90 amp welder from Harbor Freight that I bought 6 years ago. Howdy, 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 howdy. So the whole point of it was to go 2.5 wide by 5 feet long for the deck itself. And the reason I wanted to do that was this way it was long enough that I could fit Little Red on and strap it down comfortably and ride with that. Howdy, howdy. And also just wide enough that I could fit Little Red and some other odds and ends on the side of it and possibly underneath it. This way I can, you know, utilize as much space as I can, but still not going too wide with a wide footprint. So basically the way it's set up now, the trailer deck itself is about as wide as my saddlebags, so the tires come out a little bit further than the saddlebags. But overall, it feels pretty good, and I mean, I can barely tell that I have a trailer on. But yeah, I used all 1/4 inch thick material. But yeah, if you guys like it and you want to see more content with it, leave a like on the video and share it around, because I definitely had fun with this project, and it's definitely going to come in useful, especially when I go to tow Little Red around with Black Betty. It's not completely finished yet. It is all together, and I do have some paint over it. But eventually I'm going to get it professionally clear coated completely. This way it's done real nice and it's on permanently. That's a lot of cornhole. Yeah, I missed the gear. Don't judge me. Howdy, howdy. So overall, it's a pretty simple little setup, but I wanted to keep a mini utility style setup going with the trailer, which I feel like I pretty much accomplished that. So that's good. For the hitch, the reason I decided to build my own hitch was because I was doing a lot of shopping, and as much as I tried, I could not find a manufacturer trailer hitch for my particular year, make, and model bike. So that being said, I had no choice but to either try to find a used one for more than what it was worth, or build one myself. So that's what I did. Howdy, howdy. For the ball hitch on Black Betty, as you saw in the one picture, that is what they call a pivot ball. So it pivots left to right. So it allows the trailer to stay flat on the road while the rider and the bike lean, you know, through turns and whatnot. So Ryan and I decided to load up Little Red, and we're gonna head down towards Reading, down to visit Priscilla, Bailey, and his bike Priscilla. And we're gonna ride around a Little Red down at his house. So I'm not gonna record for that, but I'll keep recording for the ride there and back. See if anything interesting happens, see if anybody else likes to stare at us or anything like that. Ryan's behind me, so if I lose anything or if anything goes wrong, he can flag me down. Howdy, howdy. I'm not sure if he was yawning or in awe. Howdy, howdy. This van is dog-legging. Dog-legging pretty bad, too. Look at that. Oh, my God. Wow. Dumbass. Howdy, 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 howdy. But overall, not too bad. I mean, I can definitely feel that there's a trailer there now. I can definitely feel the extra weight. But it's only when, like, you know, accelerating and deaccelerating and braking. Like, other than that, you know, I honestly, I can't really feel it too well, so that's always good. Howdy, 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 howdy. Thanks, man. Oh man, gotta love all the good comments. We're heading back now. Had a little bit of fun over at Bailey's. It was definitely worth it. I'm glad everything's working out and everything made it through the journey and all that. Are you gonna go? Pay attention, you dumb. Whew. That lady almost got into an accident. Oh yeah. It's really nice. It's been hot the past few days, so it's definitely a bit cooler today, thank God. Jurassic Park. Whew. Oh, that one made the adrenaline rush. So hopefully in the coming time I'll be able to do quite a bit more trips and whatnot. I'd like to do a few camping trips here and there. Now that I have the trailer to be able to load everything on Black Betty, it'd be a lot better that way. If you guys know of any good campgrounds in the northeastern portion, I guess, of the US. Let me know if there's any you think I should check out. Leave them in the comments. That's a Jeep towing a motocross bike, followed by a bike towing a mini bike. Alright, so Mr. Ryan's back home. I'm heading home myself. I got quite a bit of video to edit here. It was definitely a fun day. I had fun. It's been a great day overall. Glad I got done everything I could get done. Thanks for tuning in. That pretty much wraps up today's video. If you liked what you saw, leave a like. If you're not already subscribed, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon notification button. This way you're notified when my next video comes out. I don't upload videos too often, as you can tell, and I'm sorry this one took a while to come out, but I've been working on that for a while, so stay tuned, and hopefully we can get a couple more good trips before the end of the season this year. Peace out!